We're super excited about what's going on behind me right now. It's the third NewFront that we're doing, and actually we're taking our strategy, which is a global strategy, out and presenting it here. The main idea is that we're connecting between the two industries. We're not fighting the TV industry. We're actually here to connect everything, to connect the online video and the digital space and the TV space together, and we're creating a lot of tools. And we're launching today 16 new shows that are being launched globally. And actually we're very excited that pre-NewFront, 15 of these shows are actually sold already in Canada, which is a part of our global strategy. We're producing not just for US audiences, but for global audiences, and this is actually a validation to our content strategy as well. Our strategy is to aggregate and curate content and also to produce ourselves. Most of the content is available globally. We have some restrictions with some of our partners and for one of the shows that we're launching this year, but most or 90%, 95% of the content is available out there in different markets, and we're putting it for sale in different markets where we launched already the AOL on network. The first market where we actually launched everything was Canada, and the shows, as I mentioned, were sold in Canada for this season. And a little bit more than a month ago, we also launched the UK market, where we actually have the full stack now, which is the AOL on network, which is our content business. We have Adapt TV, which is our ad marketplace, and Beyond, which is our branded content platform. So actually we have the full stack in the UK, and it's going really, really well. Just for the AOL on network, we're reaching almost 10 million unique visitors. We're number 5 on Comscore, so it's a pretty good beginning, a pretty good start. We have the same strategy as we have here in the US, so we're basically taking the whole library of content, the videos that we have here, more than 700,000 videos, and they're available in the UK, and on top of that, we're adding local partners like Channel 4, for example, and this is basically the first partnership where they're taking all of their content and their news content and syndicating it through a partner. So it's a big deal for us, I think it's a big deal for them, and it's going pretty well. We have the AOL on site that we launched a little bit more than a month ago, and then we have the O&O properties, and then on top of that we have partnerships, we have syndication partnerships. So it's the same strategy, we're very consistent, and that's how we reach the scale that we want to reach. We're looking into the next markets where we're going to launch. Nothing is confirmed yet, but Germany is on our radar. We're looking into the Australian market where Adapt TV is very active. We're looking into Southeast Asia with Japan in mind. So we're looking into different markets where video makes sense, where video already have a footprint, and probably Germany is a good guess for the next one.